Let's cook sweet and sour pork. First thing that we have to do is to make sure that we boil the pork so it becomes tender. The pork is already tender, so we'll take it out of the pot and set it aside. I'm just using the same pan where I cooked the pork, and here is where I'm frying my carrots. We've set aside the carrots. Now we're frying our bell peppers. The bell peppers are done. It's time to coat the pork. So this is the pork that we boiled earlier. We'll dip it in an egg wash and coat it with seasoned breadcrumbs. We're done frying our pork. It's time to make the sauce. In a pot with melted butter, put garlic and onion. Also add your carrots. Add your sweet chili sauce, a small pouch of tomato sauce, your pineapple tidbits along with the juice, and stir. Before adding the bell pepper and the onions, I already added sugar, so that's sugar to taste. When you're satisfied with the taste, get your pork, add it in, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and you're done. Here is your sweet and sour pork.